Warm greetings, everybody. This is English for Ethiopia, grade 9. I'm very glad to meet you in this video, students. Unit 8, Communicable Disease. Unit 8, Video 1. Students, before we try to look at main pointers about this unit, what do you remember about the previous lesson? Unit 7, Video 2. Students, to highlight or recap main pointers about so far, or the previous video, in the Unit 7, Video 2, we learned about WH words, that is relative pronoun in the relative clause. We discussed different types of WH words, or what we call them, relative pronoun, in different contexts. Today, we'll see Unit 8. The general objective of this unit is explained as follows. ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ የምናየው እንግዲህ በዩኒት 8 የመጀመሪያውን ቪዲዮ የምንማማር ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ወደ ዋናው ሐሳብ ከመግባታችን በፊት የዚህ ዩኒት ዋና ሐሳቦች ምንድናቸው? የትምህርቱ ዓላማ ምን ይመስላል? እነዚህ እናያለን። መልካም ቆይታ ተመኘው። At the end of this unit, learners are expected to, or you are expected to, listen to a variety of texts with medium level understanding and transfer information as usual. Just listening text is gonna be read for you, and interact in English in varied communication situation with comprehensible grammar. We'll see grammar in this unit. Identify communicable diseases. What does communicable means? What are communicable diseases? That is our focus. And the next one is read medium level reading resources and comprehend contents. Comprehend contents. የተለያዩ ኮንቴንቶችን እንረዳለን፣ ምንባብ እናነባለን። Guess meaning of words using context clues. Here in detail we'll see lots of words especially related to communicable disease. That is our focus. Understand the form and function of present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. ስለ present perfect tense እንማራለን። Do you know more about present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense? That is the grammar part of this unit. Construct sentences using the present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. You are going to practice by making your own sentence. Apply conditional type 3 sentences for conversational practices, purpose, and write descriptive and expository essay. ተማሪዎች conditional sentence type 3 እናያለን በዚህ unit. In the previous unit, or in the previous units, we learned about conditional sentence type 1 and type 2. And the third one is zero conditional. That's talking about fact. Well, are you ready, students? Next, our subtopic gonna be listening skills, Unit 8, Video 1. So here is illness. It says illness. What do you expect from this picture? What kind of listening text you expect? ተማሪዎች ይህንን ምስል ተመለከታችሁት? ስለዚህ ሊስኒንጋችን ምን እንደሚሆን ገምታችሁ? አብረን የምናይ ይሆናል። ኢልነስ ይላል እንግዲህ እዚህ ጋር ስዕሉ ጋር እንደምታዩት። ስለዚህ አሁን አንድ ምንባብ አነብላችኋለሁ። ከማንበቤ በፊት ግን ተማሪዎች ሁልጊዜም እንደምላችሁ what are the deadly disease now? በጣም ገዳይ የሆነ በሽታ ከምታውቋቸው ምን ናቸው? በጣም አደገኛ የሆነ ገዳይ የሆኑ በሽታዎች ምን ናቸው? እስኪ ተወያዩበት። How do you think diseases are transmitted from one person to another? በምን ይተላለፋሉ? እንግዲህ ሁላችን አጠቃላይ ከምናውቀው መረጃ ተነስተን ልንወያይ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ሳይንሱ እንደሚለን የተለያዩ ምክንያቶች አሉ። ግን እናንተ እስኪ ከምታውቋቸው ተነስታችሁ እነዚህ ነገሮች ተወያዩባቸው። Activity 8.2 listen to your teacher's reading or recorded audio and fill in the blank spaces below. Please እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ደግሞ በደንብ ይዋቸውና for example epidemiologist work to prevent or minimize dash of disease in the population. What does epidemiologist means? ምንድን ነው ይሄ word ትርጉሙ? Anyways, epidemiologists act as detectives who track down the cause of a new dash and dash transmission. ይህን ከግምት ውስጥ አስገቡ። እንደስከ ዛሬው ይህን በትክክል ከሞላችሁ you develop listening skill. You are in the right track because this is unit 8. ዩኒት 8 ነው። እንግዲህ በማዳመጥ ጥያቄዎችን መስራት ብዙ ፕራክቲስ አድርጋችኋል። Infectious disease may be transmitted through dash or dash contact, it says. Direct contact occurs when an individual infected by contact with the reservoir, for example, by dash and dash, it says. So this other question is from the listening text. Now I'm going to read the listening text to you. Are you ready? Great job. Occurrence of infectious disease. ራሳችን የሚሆነው occurrence of infectious disease. All right, what listening you are expected to write main words. Words you may not know. When I jot down some words for you, so you can listen to the meaning of the word with the context. Well, occurrence of infectious disease. What does infectious means? What does infectious? This is the first word for you, yeah? Number one. Actually, you can write like this: infectious. Infectious. What does it mean? Infectious. Epidemiology. What does epidemiology means? Epidemiologist, it says in the listening text. So I want to write down the word here. This is the main word. So what does epidemiologist means? This is the main word for you. So epidemiology is a study of the occurrence of disease in population. You get the meaning. Sometimes words are given directly, defined directly. So epidemiology means is the study of occurrence of disease in population. So epidemiologists are concerned not only with infectious disease, but also with non-infectious diseases such as cancer and atherosclerosis. What does it mean? This is a kind of disease. Let me write here, right? So here is the word. So atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis. What does it mean? It's a kind of disease. And with environmental diseases such as lead poisoning, thus professionals work to prevent to minimize the impact of disease in the population. Thus professionals, thus refers to epidemiologist. Thus refers to thus refer የሚያደርገው እንግዲህ ሬፈረንስ በደንብ እየተማራችሁ መሄድ ስላለባችሁ ነው ትኩረት የማደርገው። So their focus is to minimize, to prevent or minimize the impact of disease. ጥያቄዎቻችሁን እዚህ ጋር እያያችሁ ከአንደኛ እስከ አምስተኛ ያሉትን focus on the impact of disease in the population. Their work may include such as activities as identifying usually high incidences of particular disease, determining the effectiveness of a vaccine. ክትባቶች ውጤታማ መሆናቸውን ምን ያደርጋሉ? ኤፒዲሚዮሎጂስትስ ዲተርማይን ያደርጋሉ። Another one is calculating the cost of effectiveness of various means of controlling disease transmission. የበርካታ በሽታዎች መተላለፊያ መንገዶችን ምን ያደርጋሉ? ካልኩሌት ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። ኦኬዥናሊ ኤፒዲሚዮሎጂስትስ act as defectiveness. Act as, what does defective means? Defective means you can imagine from the context in the text who track down the cause of a new disease and the mode of transmission and help to organize various health care workers to bring the disease under control. And next, infectious agents may be transmitted through either direct or indirect contact. Either direct or indirect contact. So try to see your question again and again, please. Infectious agents may be transmitted through either direct or indirect contact. Direct contact occurs when individual is infected by contact with the reservoir. For example, by touching infected person, የነካውን ሰው ወይም ደግሞ በህመም የተጠቃውን ሰው በመንካት የሚተላለፍ ይሆናል። ኢንጀስቲንግ ኢንፌክትድ ሚት የተበከሉ ስጋዎችን መመገብ or bring bitten by infected animal or insect እነዚህ በበሽታው የተጠቁ እንስሳት የቀመሷቸውን ነገሮች መብላት ያስተላልፍ ይችላል። Transmission by direct contact also includes inhaling the infectious agent, inhaling absorbing to a mouth ወደ ሰውነታችን ውስጥ በመሳብ በትንፋሽ ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። So this is one method. And droplets emitted by sneezing or coughing contracting the infectious agent through intimate sexual contact. ይህ ደግሞ ምንድነው የሚያመለክተን? ድሮፕሌት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ስኒዚንግ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ወይም ማስነጠስ ወይም መሳል ሊሆን ይችላል። እንዲሁም emitted by infectious agents through intimate sexual contact, ሴክሹዋል በሆኑ ኮንታክቶችን ሊተላለፍ ይችላል ማለት ነው። according to your listening text. Good. Some diseases that are transmitted primarily by direct contact with the reservoir include ringworm. What does ringworm mean? A kind of disease. Ringworm የምንለው የትላትል አይነት ነው። ኤዲስ፣ trichinosis, influenza, rabies, and malaria. These are transmitted by direct contact. Indirect contact occurs when pathogen የምንላቸው ምንድን ናቸው? ባዮሎጂ ተማሩት ይሆናል ይህን ሰው ሆሪዞንታሊ ቨርቲካሊ ማወቅ ስላለባቸው ነው። So indirect contact occurs when a pathogen can withstand the environment outside. ይህ በሽታ ተከላካይ ፓቶጅን የምንላቸው የሰው በሰውነታቸው ውስጥ ያሉ ናቸው። They have different meaning actually. A long period of time before infecting another individual. Inanimate objects. What does inanimate means? Inanimate. Inanimate objects. Inanimate. What does it mean? That are contaminated. Contaminate. What does contaminate? Contaminate. Contaminate. ምን ማለት ነው? That are contaminated by the direct contact with the reservoir. For example, tissue used to warm the nose of an individual who has a cold, or a toy that had been handled by a sick child may be the indirect contact for susceptible individual. What does susceptible mean? We'll see this word in another area actually. What does susceptible? What that susceptible means? Another one is ingesting. What does ingesting mean? Ingesting food and beverage contaminated by contact with disease reservoir is another example of disease transmitted by direct contact. The fecal or route of transmission in which sewage contaminated water is used for drinking. እነዚህ የተበከሉ ውሃዎችን በመጠጣት ሊሆን ይችላል። ባጭሩ washing or preparing food is a significant form of indirect transmission. ስለዚህ ማጠብ፣ ንጽህና መጠበቅ ለነዚህ በሽታዎች መተላለፍ መቀነስ ጥሩ ነው ማለት ነው። so especially for gastrointestinal disease ይሄ ከአንጀት ጋር የተያዙ በሽታዎችን ምን ያደርጋል ይቀንስልናል such as cholera, rotavirus or rotavirus infection rotavirus የምንላቸው ኢንተስታይን ጋር የተያዙ በሽታዎች ናቸው። cryptosporidiosis is another kind of disease አንዱ ሌላ በሽታ ጃርዳሲስ ወይም ጃርዳ በተለምዶ ጃርዳ ብለን የምንጠራው ከነዚህ ጋር ሊመደብ ይችላል። This mode of transmission are all examples of horizontal transmission because the infectious agent is passed from one person to a person in a group. በግሩፕ ነው ትራንስሚት የሚሆኑት ማለት ነው። some diseases also are transmitted vertically, that is they are transmitted from parent to child during the process of reproduction ከልጆች ወደ ወላጅ በወሊድ ጊዜ የሚተላለፉ ይኖራሉ። diseases in which vertical transmission occurs include AIDS, I think every one of you knows AIDS, and herpes encephalitis የምንለው የሄርፒስ ኢንሴፋሊቲስ የምንለው የበሽታ አይነት አለ which occurs when infant contracts with herpes simplex type 2 የምንለው የበሽታ አይነት አለ። እነዚህ በወሊድ ጊዜ የሚተላለፉ ናቸው ማለት ነው። It's all about the listening text። እንግዲህ listening ቴክስታችሁ ይህን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። እና ስንቶቻችሁ ናችሁ ይህንን የመለሳችሁት? አንድ ላይ እንስላው። Epidemiologists work to prevent or minimize dash of disease in the population። መጀመሪያ አዳምጣችሁ ከሆነ በመጀመሪያው ምንባብ ላይ ምን ይላል? In the first paragraph, epidemiology is the study of occurrence of disease in population። Epidemiology ምንድነው ማለት ነው? The study of disease in the population። ይሄ በተለይ ወረርሽኝ ሲከሰት የሚያጠና ሰው ምን ይባላል? ኤፒዲሚዮሎጂስት ይባላል። ሳይንሱ ደግሞ ኤፒዲሚዮሎጂ ይባላል ማለት ነው። So epidemiologists are occurred not only with infectious disease but also with non-infectious disease such as cancer የሚለውን አይተናል ማለት ነው። Or thus professionals work to prevent or minimize the impact of disease. So the first one is impact። የመጀመሪያውን ኢምፓክት ካላችሁ በትክክል መልሳችኋል ማለት ነው። ስንቶቻችሁ አገኛችሁት? አይ ቲንክ መጀመሪያ ላይ ትኩረት አድርጉ እያልኳችሁ ነበር ተማሪዎች። ኔክስት question number 2, the answer will be epidemiologists act as detective who track down the cause of a new dash in dash transmission, it says. So the right answer is a disease and a mode of a new disease and a mode of transmission. አዲስ በሽታዎችን እንዲሁም የሚተላለፉበትን መንገድ ማጥናት ነው ማለት ነው አይደለ? As you listen to the text, infectious disease may be transmitted through dash or dash contact, direct or indirect contact ብለናል ቅድም, if you remember. Great. The next one is number 4. Question number, direct contact occurs when an individual is affected by contact with reservoir, for example, by touching an infected person, ingesting infected meat የመሳሰሉትን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Another one is number 5. You can see here question number 5, the mode of horizontal transmission are example of infectious disease that transmit from dash in group, from person to person in group. Now I want to give you the meaning of some words extracted from the listening text. እስኪ የወርዶችን ትርጉም የተወሰኑትን ልጻፍላችሁ። Are you ready to take note? Well, alright, thus are the vocabularies listed for you students. So infectious means transmittable. Infectious ማለት ምንድነው? transmittable ወይም ተላላፊ የሆኑ በሽታዎች ምን ልንላቸው እንችላለን? infectious ልንላቸው እንችላለን ማለት ነው students. Epidemiologist, they saw epidemiology ሳይንሱ ነው። epidemiologist ካልን ደግሞ is a person that is a disease specialist. አቴሮስክለሮሲስ የምንለው ደግሞ አርተሪ ብሎኬጅ is a kind of disease in short የአርተሪ ብሎኬጅ ነው ወይም አርተሪ የምንላቸው የሰውነት ክፍሎቻችን የነዛ መዘጋት ነው። so atherosclerosis and the kind of disease. inanimate object የምንላቸው ወይም lifeless inanimate means lifeless ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ግዑዝ ነገሮች እንደማለት ነው inanimate. contaminate መበከል ወይም ኢንፌክት ማድረግ ነው። ኦኬ contaminated so pollute infect contagious ልንላቸው እንችላለን። susceptible prone or vulnerable እነዚህ ተጠቂ ሆኑ እንደማለት ነው susceptible ማለት። communicable the spread of you can write here the spread of let me show you here the spread of disease from one person to another. ባጭሩ ዩኒታችን ኮሚኒኬብል ዲዚዝ ነው አይደለ? ተላላፊ በሽታዎች እንደማለት ነው ዩኒቱ አጠቃላይ። so communicable disease means a disease that transmit one person to another. That's the meaning of the word. Now I don't know how many of you score the question. Now let's read reading skill የሚለውን ደግሞ ከመጽሐፋችሁ እየተወሰደ ነው። እሱን የምናይ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሬዲ። ስለዚህ ቮካብላሪ ሌቭላችሁን በደንብ መጨመር አለባችሁ ተማሪዎች። let's see the meaning of those words first before you try to see the vocabulary and comprehension questions from the reading text. In the passage we'll see comprehension question, another one in the references. We also see new words meaning according to their context. So what does predict means? Let me show you here. So here are the main words for you. So predict means forecast. Forecast ማድረግ ነው አንድ ነገር forecast መተንበይ መቻል ማለት ነው። forecast ማድረግ ነው predict ማለት እንግዲህ እንድትረዱት። So mortality, dying or death rate ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም የሞት መጠን ነው። ሞርታሊቲ ሞት ጋር የተያዘ ነው። so dying or death. so infection means contamination ቅድም የነገርኳቸው ነው። contamination you can write like this. another one is treatment ታገኘን ማለት ምንድነው? ሜዲኬሽን ነው አይደል? ይሄን እንደምታውቁት ሜዲኬሽን. these are the main words that will be given in the passage. so within the next 25 years HIV/AIDS, that is the reading text title. within the next 25 years AIDS is set to join heart diseases and stroke. within next 25 years AIDS is set to join heart diseases and stroke as the top 3 cause of death worldwide. እንግዲህ ስትሮክ እና የልብ ህመም ጋር በመመደብ እንግዲህ በጣም ዴድሊስት ከሆኑት ወይም ገዳይ ከሆኑት በሽታዎች ይመደባል ነው የሚለው። currently ranked fourth behind heart disease. currently ስንት ነው የሚመደበው? HIV/AIDS currently ranked fourth behind heart disease. stroke and respiratory infectious AIDS is set to become number 3. it accounts for about 2.8 million deaths every year. በአመት በኤዲስ ስንት ሰው ይሞታል ማለት ነው? 2.8 ሚሊዮን ሞት ይመዘገባል። but researchers estimate total of nearly 100 million people who could die in the next 25 years. እንግዲህ በሚቀጥሉት 25 years ይሄ ምንባብ ይሄ ጥናት እስከተጠናበት እንግዲህ 2021 or 2023 አካባቢ ነው ጥናት የተጠናው ተማሪዎች። ሰው 120 የሚሆን ሰው በዚህ በሽታ እንደሚሞት ይተነበያል ማለት ነው። overall researchers forecast መተንበይ ማለት ነው። researchers predict that in the next 3 decades ወይም በቀጣይ 3 ዓመታት እንደማለት ነው። the cause of global mortality will be mortality here is death. So global mortality will be strikingly similar worldwide apart from the prevalence of AIDS in poorer countries. በተለይ ድሃ በሚባሉ ሀገራት ምንድን ነው ፕሪቫለንሱ ወይም መስፋፋቱ ይጨምራል ማለት ነው። most people will be dying at an older age of non-infectious diseases like cardiovascular diseases የከትንፈሳ ጋር የተያዙ ናቸው stroke and cancer። ስለዚህ ምንድነው older age የሆኑት በዚህ እንደሚሞቱ ያሳያል ማለት ነው students። on the next paragraph, paragraph 2, paragraph 1 እንጨርሰናል። the World Health Organization estimate that the total of at least 170 million people will die from AIDS from 2006 to 2006 እንግዲህ ያልፋል እስከ 2030 ድረስ የዓለም ጤና ድርጅት የተነበየው 117 million people will die with AIDS. In an optimistic future projection, optimistic, what does it mean? We'll see. The vocabulary part. If new HIV infections are curbed and access to life-prolonging antiretroviral is infected or increase, 89 million people will die from the disease. እንግዲህ curbed ከሆኑ ወይም access to life prolonged antiretroviral increase ከሆነ ወይም ያንን መቀልበስ ስራ ከተሰራ ወደ 89 ሚሊዮን ፒፕል ዳይ እንደሚሆን ነው ማለት ነው ጤና ድርጅቱ የሚያሳውቀው። What happens in the future depends very much on what the international community does now. What happens in the future will depend on what are we doing right now, according to the writer. ምንድነው ወደፊት what it matters now. አሁን ማተር ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። said matters who is a doctor እንግዲህ አንድ ዶክተር ነው ያለው። this market differences should spark changes in current approaches to controlling AIDS now, say some experts. It's clear. Number 4, students, it will be increasingly hard to sustain treatment programs unless we can turn off the tap of new HIV infections. ስለዚህ አዲስ የኤችአይቪ ኢንፌክሽን ካልቀነስን hard to sustain treatment በዘላቂነት ሰስቴን ለማድረግ ይቸግራል ነው የሚለው ፓቴጃችሁ said Richard Hayes. Thus, AIDS numbers point to a need to do more in prevention. Simply focusing on treatment or politically uncontroversial prevention methods will not suffice. What does suffice means? You can't put all your eggs in the abstinence basket, said Hayes. We need many strategies for real people, he said, adding the condom distribution as well as new methods. አዳዲስ ሜቶዶችን ጨምሮ የተለመዱትን ማለት ነው መጨመር ያስፈልጋል such as vaccine are needed. ክትባትን ጨምሮ according to World Health Organization and some specialists. Matters and Long Care analyzed data from more than 100 countries. This author looked at the links between mortality trend and income per capita. እንግዲህ የሞት መጠንና የገቢ መጠንንን በዚሁ እያያዙ ነው የሰሩት as well as factors including education levels and tobacco use. የትምህርት ያለበት ደረጃና especially developing countries and የትንባሆ ጭስን በተመለከተም እንዲሁ አያይዘው ጥናት ሰርተዋል ማለት ነው። This research also used UN estimates for projected AIDS infection rates and this is an important contribution that will help us determine the priorities of public health. This is an important contribution ከዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት said Majid ኤዘቲ የተባለ ዶክተር ነው እንግዲህ አን አሶሺየት ፕሮፌሰር ኢን ኢንተርናሽናል ሄልት at Harvard University, who was not connected to the paper. While it may be possible to avert some of the impending damage from HIV/AIDS, Mattis says that other predictions are unlikely to vary significantly. As population age, he explained them naturally more susceptible to illness like cancer and heart diseases than infectious diseases. እነዚህ የልብና የካንሰር በሽታዎች ላይክ ሄርት ዲዚዝ ዛን ኢንፌክሽስ ከሚተላለፉት በሽታዎች በጣም ዴድሊስ ናቸው ወይም ገዳይ ናቸው ነው የሚለው። ኢቨን ኢን ዲ ዴቨሎፒንግ ወርልድ life expectancy is expected to increase worldwide, with the highest projected life expectancy into 2030 to be in Japanese women at 88.5 years. እንግዲህ ዝቅተኛው ወይም የመኖሪያ የእድሜ ጣሪያ ብለን የምንጠራው ነው እንግዲህ ላይፍ ኤክስፔክታንሲ በጃፓን 88.5 ያው 88 ዓመት ነው። በእኛ ሀገር ደግሞ ስንት ይሆናል ማለት ነው? አይ ቲንክ 50 ወይ 60 አካባቢ ነው ላይፍ ኤክስፔክታንሲ ወይም በህይወት የመኖር ትንበያ ማለት ነው። let's see some questions። እስኪ ጥያቄዎችን እንይ፣ ቮካብላሪዎችን እናያለን ማለት ነው። you can answer true false questions. Within the next 25 years, HIV/AIDS will be joint heart disease and stroke at the top 3 cause of death worldwide. Yeah, it's true. You can read the passage again. And number 2, in the next 25 years, a total of nearly 120 million people will die of HIV/AIDS, he says. So that is true, mentioned in the passage. Yeah. Several people will be dying at an old age of infectious diseases like stroke and cancer. Number 3, yeah, it's right according to the context, is right. Number 4, according to the World Health Organization, about 170 million people will die of HIV/AIDS within the coming 25 years, he says. Is that true? That the coming 25 years? ይህንን በደንብ ተመልሳችሁ እዛ ጋር it is false anyways, so we can finish in this way, students. The next one is read the reading passage carefully and give answers to the following question. What does the writer means? What happens in the future depends on very much what the international community does now. ጸሐፊው ምን ብሎናል? What happens in the future depend on what the international community does now ይላል። ወደፊት የሚፈጠረው ነገር የሚወሰነው አሁን የዓለም አቀፉ ማህበረሰብ አሁን በሚሰራው ነው። That means if we plan and prevent or do something in action today, we can prevent the future. እሱ ነው አይደለ መልሳችሁ? So እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄዎችን በደንብ መመለስ መቻል አለባቸው ማለት ነው። Now let's see another vocabulary from your textbook. ከዛ በፊት እዚህ ጋር ያልተገለጹ አንዳንድ ቮካብላሪዎችን እጽፍላችኋለሁ። Look at this words in addition to main words listed here. So impending means approaching or nearest. This is according to your context. Abstinence means avoidance, and retroviral means virus related according to the context. And prolonging means for a long time ማለት ነው። prolonging የተራዘመ እንደማለት ነው። extending, you can write also extending. Now we'll see the contextual meaning of look at here. Estimate number one, we'll see this vocabulary meaning. So number 1, estimate means it means you can say estimate approximately እንደማለት ነው። estimate ስናደርግ ፕሮጀክት እያደረግ ነው። ፕሮጀክት የተለያየ ትርጉም አለው። ኦኬ ፕሮጀክት or maybe approximately እንደማለት ነው። approximately this is the meaning of the word. Number 2, optimistic means promising. ይሄ ተስፋ ማድረግ ባንድ ነገር ነው። ኦኬ so it's promising hopeful እንደማለት ነው in positive way. ፖዚቲቭሊ ይሄኛው ፖዚቲቭ ነው። ኦኬ ፖዚቲቭሊ ሆፕ ስናደርግ ፖዚቲቭሊ ማለት ነው። ይሄኛው ኦፕቲሚስቲክ እና ሁለት ነገሮች አሉ በዚህ ተቃራኒ that is optimistic and pessimistic። ፔሲሚስቲክ ማለት ምንድን ነው? ሰሞኒስ ፔሲሚስቲክ ካላቸው አንድ ሰው ብዙ ተስፋ የማይታየው ሰው ማለት ነው። ሁሉ ጊዜ መጥፎ ነገሩ የሚታየው ፔሲሚስቲክ ይባላል። ኦፕቲሚስቲክ ደግሞ the one who has a promise, one who is hopeful to do something for better tomorrow። የተሻለ ነገር ይመጣል ብሎ የሚያስብ ሰው ምን ይባላል? ኦፕቲሚስቲክ ይባላል ማለት ነው። ፔሲሚስቲክ ኔጋቲቭ ነው። ኦፕቲሚስቲክ ፖዚቲቭ ጉድ። ከርብድ ካልን ምንድነው? ከርብ ካረግናቸው ይላል አይደል መጽሐፋቸው ላይ ኮንትሮል ማለት ነው። ኮንትሮል ካረግናቸው ዲዚዝ a kind of disease. Number 4 spark means trigger ትኩረት ማድረግ ወይም ኢገር መሆን ትኩረት ማድረግ ነው። ትሪገር suffice means number 5 enough enough በቂ የሆነ or sufficient ማለት ትችላላችሁ። ይሄኛው sufficient. Number 6 avert. To avert disease means to prevent ለመቆጣጠር to prevent to prevent. Number 7 susceptible ቅድም ነግራችኋለሁ። exposed or vulnerable ተጋላጭ ማለት ነው። susceptible ማለት ተጠርጣሪ ወይም ደግሞ የተጋለጠ እንደማለት ነው። የምንጠረጥረው ነገር ይኖራል። ምንድነው የምንጠረጥረው? ተጋላጭነቱን ማለት ነው አይደል? so susceptible means exposed ቅድምም ብያችኋለሁ። prone ብያችኋለሁ። prone ይሄኛውን መጨመር ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው ተማሪዎች። next we'll see phrasal verbs as usual። phrasal verboችን እናያለን። ይሄንን phrasal verb ስንሰራ ግን ትርጉሙንም አንድ ላይ ያየን ነው የምንሰራው ተማሪዎች። are you ready to tackle the phrasal verbs? Great job. Here are the questions. Came through, came out, came over, came on, that is came on የመሳሰሉት ናቸው። እስኪ አንድ ላይ እንስራ። are you ready? መልሱን ብቻ አይደለም ዋናው እዚህ ጋር መልሶቹን ሳይሆን be reasonable. What does the meaning of this phrasal verbs? እነዚህ phrasal verbs ምንድን ናቸው? What are the basic meaning intended to fill the gaps? በተቻለ መጠን ዙም አደርግላችኋለሁ እንደዚህ። I think if you have a text it is good. text ካላችሁ መልካም። Number 1 maybe you should go to a doctor. This is the third time you have dashed with a cold. This means በዶክተር መታየት አለብህ ነው የሚለው። because this is the third time you have dashed with cold. This means ለሶስተኛ ጊዜ ነው ስትያዝ ነው አይደል የሚለው። so the right answer is according to this context calm down ነው የሚሆነው። calm down. What does calm down means? On number 1 calm down. So calm down means fall ill. You can see here. ይህንን በደንብ ለጻፍላችሁ። number 1 fall ill መታመም ማለት ነው አይደለ? ለሶስተኛ ጊዜ ስትታመም እንደማለት ነው። so calm down means you can add him here. calm down means fall ill ሲያምህ እንደማለት ነው። the next one is question number 3. Aster dash last in the race but she enjoyed herself. አስቴር በሩጫው በውድድሩ አስቴር ዳሽ ላስት ኢን ዘ ሬስ። ሬስ ነው ሬስ ውድድር ነው አይደል እንደምታውቁት። so ምን አለች ነው የሚለው መጨረሻ ወጣች። but she's happy, she enjoyed. so then the answer is the right answer for this question is Aster came in. ያችሁት የተለያየ ትርጉም አለው። so came in means in this context came in means ranked. ስንተኛ ወጣች? ranked. so came in means ranked. ላስት ስንተኛ ወጣች? ራንክ ደረጃ ነው ታውቃላችሁ። ራንክ ነው ዲስ ኮንቴክስት። ሶ በደንብ የተለያዩ አሁን ካም በሚለው ከሜን ካም ኦን ኦፍ አባውት እያላችሁ የተለያዩ ትርጉም አለው። ኮስችን ነምበር 3 number 3 you can write here number 3 Teferi dash as a heard person but in fact he's quite caring Teferi dash ይመስላል ይላል as a heard person ትንሽ አስቸጋሪ ሰው እንደሆነ የማይግባባ አይነት እንደሆነ ነው አይደል የሚሆነው ሶ ተፈሪ ዳሽ hard person ከባድ ሰው ይመስላል ወይም የሚያስቸግር ሰው ይመስላል ነው የሚለው but in fact is caring quite caring የሚያስብ የሚንከባከብ አዛኝ እንደሆነ ነው በተቃራኒው የሚገልጽልን so the right answer for this question is comes on ነው ሁለት ትርጉም አለው comes on ካላችሁ አንተ come on let me just give me something or tell me the fact ካላችሁ አንተ come on ስንል come on man tell me something ካልን አይዞን encouragement ነው ማበረታታት ነው ባክን አትፍራ እንደማለት ነው come on ካልን that's the meaning but in this comes on means in this context locus ክፉ ሰው ይመስላል locus in this context ስለዚህ መልሱ ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው so come on comes on the meaning is actually the word by itself or the basic meaning of the word is encouragement ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው ግን በዚህ ኮንቴክስት locus number 4 work dash at the work does as a hard person but in fact he is quite ምንድነው የሚሆነው caring በነገራችን ላይ number 4 and number 3 ተመሳሳይ ናቸው let me show you so the answer is the same በነገራችን ላይ እዚህ ጋር comes off ማለት ትችላላችሁ almost ተመሳሳይ ነው ተቀራራቢ ነው ትርጉሙ came on and came off they have equivalent meaning but the context equivalent meaning አላቸው ማለት ነው locus ነው የሚሆነው ስለዚህ ለፉት የመጻፋችሁ ስህተት ነው the name of the person almost የሶስተኛው እና አራተኛው ኦኬ ተመሳሳይ ነው ያው መጻፉ ተሳስቶ ነው የሚሆነው number 5 question number 5 the electricity dash back dash 2 hours after the power cut question number 5 so came on here came on this is the right answer for question number 5 in this context came on means start functioning ከሁለት ሰዓት በኋላ ነው አይደል መብራቱ አገልግሎት የሰጠው so start functioning here start functioning አያችሁት አሁን ከመሆን የሚለው 3 አይነት 4 አይነት ትርጉም አለው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ came out means encouragement came out means locus came out means start functioning ኤሌክትሪሲቱ ከሁለት ሰዓት በኋላ ነው አገልግሎት የሰጠው ወይም የመጣው ማለት ነው the players passed when his old friend spoke to the press ይላል question number 6 you can see here number 6 so what's the right answer students question number 6 ጥያቄ ቁጥር 6 press ነው የሚያነሳው ጥያቄ ቁጥር 6 ስለ press ነው የሚያወራን look the players pass when his old friend spoke to the press so reveal ነው የሚሆነው so the right answer is for question number 6 first came out ነው የሚሆነው ኦኬ came out ነው እዚህ ጋር መጀመሪያ መልሱ ፍሬዘል ቨርቡ ነው መጀመሪያ መመለስ አለባችሁ reveal ሚስጥር ማውጣት ወይ መረጃ መስጠት ነው reveal information or secret you can add secret መስጠት ሊሆን ይችላል ወይ መረጃ መስጠት ነው ኦኬ number 7 question number 7 came over came over ነው የሚሆነው መልሱ። came over means invited, inviting እንደማለት ነው። invited. So came over for dinner tonight. We are having a chicken stew. came over means invitation. ይሄኛው invitation ነው የሚሆነው። invitation. ኦኬ። በዚህ ኮንቴክስት ኢንቫይቴሽን ነው የሚሆነው። ኦኬ፣ እንደዛ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። question number 8 Jack only after Sennight begged him for 3 days ነው የሚለው ይሄኛው። came through ነው የሚሆነው። number 8 came through. What does it mean? came through means what does come through in this context? Arrive ነው የሚሆነው። ኦኬ፣ arrive, don't forget. The last, Dasani dash a very good idea for marketing campaign ነው የሚሆነው። came up with ነው የሚሆነው። question number 9 come up with orally ልጽፉ ትችላላችሁ። so come up with means with solution. come up with number 9, the answer is come up with solution እንደማለት ነው። so the meaning of come up with. number 10 ምንድን ነው የሚለው? when I was cleaning my room I dashed my middle school diaries. ቤት እያጸዳሁ ምን አደረኩ ነው የሚለው? when I was cleaning my room I dashed my middle school diaries. What is the right answer first? come across ነው የሚሆነው። number 10 come across means find accidentally. You can finish. so come across means find something accidentally. እያጸዳ ነበር አይደል? ሰው የልጅነት ወይም የሃይ ስኩል ዳያሪውን ወይም ማስታወሻውን አገኘው። so while cleaning. so this is come across means find something accidentally. Students, I hope you are recording vocabularies, or especially phrasal verbs and new words extracted from reading and listening. እነዚህን phrasal verbs, vocabularies extracted from the text እነሱን ኮፒ እያደረጋችሁ እንደሆነ ማስታወሻ እያያዛችሁ እንደሆነ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ስለዚህ አያችሁት፣ አሁን ከዚህ ምን ተረዳችሁ? came down, came off, came in, came out, came over, came through። አያችሁት? ካም በሚለው ብቻ 10 7 8 እዚህ ጋር ሰንጠረዡ ላይ you can see here ሰንጠረዡ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። your textbook እዚህ ጋር ሰንጠረዡ ጋር ያለው ካም በሚለው ነው በሙሉ ያለው አይደለ? ስለዚህ but they have different context. even when there is one phrasal verb, ለምሳሌ came on የሚለውን ስትመለከቱ it has a different context። እንደገና ደግሞ አንዱ ከተለያየ phrasal preposition ጋር ሲሄድ ደግሞ it gives variety of meaning. well students, we are coming to conclude today's lesson. የዛሬውን ለሰናችንን ወደ ማጠቃለሉ እየደረስን ነው። ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ክፍለ ጊዜያችን በዩኒት 8 በቪዲዮ 1 you learned about new words, especially listening text and reading text. አዳዲስ ወርዶችን በደንብ ተምራችኋል, especially contextually. the last main point about phrasal verb ደግሞ የተለያየ ትርጉም እንዳለው when you fill the gap be take care. በጣም በጥንቃቄ ነው መሙላት ያለብን ማለት ነው። these are the main contents of today's lesson. Bye bye until next time, students.